Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So how are you all doing? What have I got for you today in skincare? It's related to night creams. As we age, our skin starts to lose moisture, firmness and glow. Nighttime is best for skin to rest and repair, so here are my few night cream recommendations. This Pure Elements Age Defying Night Cream, I have been using it for almost a year now. The benefits are put up on the screen for you. It's a very thick moisturizer, but it has helped repair my skin barrier. Next one is Kamaayurveda's Kumkumadi Night Cream. It makes the skin supple and soft the next morning, brightens the skin, reduces dark circles and pigmentation, adds glow to the skin and prevents fine lines, delays the signs of aging. The Bodyshop Oils of Life has black cumin seed and rosehip seed oil and organic olive oil. It's good for moisturizing and revitalizing the skin and making the skin look soft and supple. The Moha Overnight Lotion is a budget night cream and has a lot of goodness which I have mentioned on the screen. It's lightweight and quick absorbing. The ones mentioned till now are for all skin types, but this one, the Plum Green Tea Night Gel, is basically for oily, acne-prone skin. This has green tea which works as antioxidant. Overall, it helps in oil control, clarifying and hydration. For more such content, subscribe to my channel. Bye.